Hello children. Children, please open SR1 of Unit 4 of ALGA 6. Okay children? Children, in last video I told you about the magic E, right? What happens when you add magic E at the end of the word, right? So, of the vowel sound change into letter name, right? Like we can see, just a minute. CAKE, because there is a E in the last of the word, then and the vowel is A, we will call it A, sorry, right? The vowel is A, but when we will read it, then we will use the letter name of the vowel, right? So let's read these words. Cake, cake, lake, lake, tape, tape, cane, cane, late, 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 cave, cave, grape, grape, rate, rate, tail, tail, hair, hair. Okay children? Children, please practice for these all words with vowel A, right? Children, now please open WS1, right? Magic E. Everyone please open in your workbook. You all have workbook. Then please open WS3 of Unit 4, right? Of ALGA 6. Okay children? Now read this question. Just a minute. See, rewrite the word with magic E and match with its picture, right? Children, we have some words here from A to G. We can see we have these words, right? Then what we have to do, we need to add E in the last of all the words, all the given words, right? Here we will write with them, with these words we will write here with magic E, right? Then we will match magic E words with the picture. Then we have to do, now what you have to do, CAK, you have to do like this. You have to write here. I am showing you one. K, this is the cake, right? So like this you have to write all the words here. Then you have to match these words from these pictures. Okay, you have to do it by yourself children. ये आपको खुद से करने हैं. Okay, now children, it's time to read whole words, right? We have learned many times these words. Again I'm going to revise. Everyone please speak with me. Okay, see, few, few, please repeat after me. Few. Now the second is should. Second is should. And the third is join. The third is join. And the fourth is less. The fourth is less. And the fifth is winning. The fifth is winning. Please repeat after me. Winning. And the sixth is wood. The sixth is wood. And the seventh is inside. The seventh is inside. Now again I'll repeat all the words only one time. Please speak with me. Few, should, join, less, winning, wood, inside. Everyone please note down these words, right? And practice of these words, right? Now students, please, you all have your reader book, right? Then please open SR3 in your reader book. Now the reading and listening comprehension, in which we are going to read today Kapil's Big Game. This is the topic of the story, right? But children, firstly I want to say, how do we find the meaning, new words, while we are reading story? जब हम कोई स्टोरी रीड करें तो न्यू वर्ड्स जो हमारे सामने आते हैं, उसका वर्ड्स को, उसके मीनिंग को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट इज लुक एट द पिक्चर, राइट? लाइक दिस इज द पिक्चर. You need to look at the picture, like I am just underlining this word, right? Likes. You all know this word. आपको क्या करना है? To find the meaning of this word, you have to look at the given picture very carefully. Then you have to read the sentences in which you are seeing the word, right? Like first we can say he likes to play cricket. You need to see this sentence, and the last thing is you have to guess the meaning. This is the 3 steps to find the meaning of the new word, right? So students, now I'm going to read. And sorry, one more thing, we have learned about the events of the story. Children, every story has 3 events: beginning, middle and last event, means end, right children? You should know about this thing. ठीक है, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए. Okay children, just a minute. So now let's read this story. Everyone please repeat after me. I hope you all will do best, right? See, Kapil is new to school. He likes to play cricket. The cricket coach asked Kapil to join the team, right? This is the page 1. You can see the 1 is here. That means, it means this is the page 1 of this story, right? Now the come down. See, this is the page 2. You can see Kapil says, I am new to school. I do not know anyone. Playing cricket will help you make friends, says the coach. Okay? Now, then I will join the team, says Kapil. After few days, Rani meets Kapil. She invites him to her birthday party. This is the page 3 of the story. Now we will turn the page. SR4. Now you have to come on SR4, right? See, now this is the page 4. Let's read. Oh no, says Kapil. We have a game on that day. Kapil asks the coach if he can miss the game, your team will have 1 player less. The coach told him. Story 5. Kapil speaks to Rani and asks her for help. Rani suggests that he should play the game. Kapil asks, can you come for the game? We can celebrate your birthday here. Rani says, yes, I can do that. This is a great idea. Okay. Now this is the page 7 of this story. On the day of the game, all families have come. They all are watching the game. Kapil helps his team in winning the game. This is the last page. Now we have page 8. Rani brings cake for the team. Everyone eats the cake and is celebrating the win. Right children? Children, please read this story by yourself. Children, now you need to open WS4 in your workbook of Alga 6. Okay children? Children, we have read the story Kapil's Big Game, right? Now what you have to do, let's read the question. Complete the table for the story. अभी मैम ने जो स्टोरी पढ़ी है, you have to complete this table relate to that, right? Now in setting, first thing is setting. Where was the story taking place? आपको इसमें बच्चों ये लिखना है कि स्टोरी में कौन से प्लेस की बात हो रही है, कौन सी जगह की बात हो रही है. वेयर आर द कैरेक्टर्स इन द स्टोरी, किस जगह पर हैं, दैट नेम यू हैव टू राइट हियर, राइट? नाउ द टॉकिंग कैरेक्टर्स हु आर इन द स्टोरी. टॉकिंग कैरेक्टर्स कौन बात कर रहे हैं, कौन कैरेक्टर्स स्टोरी में है. यू हैव टू राइट हेयर. व्हाट वाज कपिल्स प्रॉब्लम, कपिल की प्रॉब्लम क्या थी आपको वो भी लिखना है. हाउ डिड रानी हेल्प कपिल, उसने रानी ने कपिल की कैसे हेल्प की. हाउ डिड कपिल्स डिस्कशन हेल्प टीम, राइट. कपिल की टीम की हेल्प किस तरह से हुई, राइट. नाउ व्हाट वाज द सोल्यूशन ऑफ टू द प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन क्या था, राइट. चिल्ड्रन प्लीज कंप्लीट दिस टेबल. आई विल सेंड द आंसर्स ऑफ दिस वर्कशीट in the group in the evening, but before that you need to try. Okay children, now please open WS5. Answer the following questions. We have 2 questions here. Children, please complete it by yourself. Okay, so in this section you need to complete WS4 and WS5. Okay children. Children, now please open SR2 adverbs. What are adverbs children? Adverbs tell us how is action being done, हाउ इज़ द एक्शन बीइंग डन. ठीक है, एडवर्ब्स जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो आपको ये बताते हैं कि एक्शन कैसे हुआ है. लाइक वी कैन सी ग्लास ब्रेक्स इजीली, शी स्पीक्स लाउडली, राइट. चिल्ड्रन, these words are in green color. It means these are adverbs, right. Here you can see Rahul went home sadly. Okay, so children, which words tell us more about or how is the action being done, right. Those words are called adverbs. Like I write, मैम आपकी मैम लिखती है I write, but if I say I write slowly, मैं धीरे लिखती हूँ, तो जो slowly है वो adverb होगा. ठीक है बाबू, क्या होगा वो adverb. Please pay attention on this, right. All the students please read this page completely. Now you need to open WS5, right. WS5, you can see on WS5 what we will do. We will do question 2. What is the question? Underline the verbs and circle the adverb in the following sentences. आपको क्या करना है, verb को तो underline करना है और आपको adverb को circle करना है, right. verb is जो normally काम किया जा रहा है, that is verb. एडवर्ब जो आपके काम को एक अच्छे से डिफाइन कर रहा है और ज़्यादा उसके बारे में बता रहा है. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया ना कि मैम लिखती है आई राइट, राइट. मैं लिखती हूँ तो इसमें वर्ब क्या है, राइट. बट इफ आई से आई राइट फर्स्टली और स्लोली, आई राइट स्लोली, मैं धीरे लिखती हूँ तो स्लोली क्या है, एडवर्ब. देन यू नीड टू हेयर इन दिस सेंटेंस अंडरलाइन द वर्ब, राइट इज द वर्ब, slowly is the adverb. Okay children, please do practice for this. Need to complete this worksheet, right children. And in writing and speaking expression, in the last video I told you, or you have seen on the lead app, online lead app. Firstly, what will you tell your story to other, right, to another person with your drawing. Firstly you need to draw drawing, then you need to tell that story. I hope you all have done this activity at your home. Okay, now children, what you have to do now, today we will talk about drafting. Children, what is drafting? Let's see. Writing story in different sentences, right. Again I will repeat, writing story in different sentences. Children, when you will write your story in different sentences, that is called